Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching Photoshop Beta and signing in so cloud features work. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled. This improves performance for neural filters and live previews. Open or create a document with the correct resolution and color profile. Once done, you avoid later color shifts. Now import your base image using File Open or Drag and Drop. You'll see layers and properties populate. From here, you're ready to make non-destructive edits and take advantage of the Beta-only features. You'll next use layers and smart objects to keep edits reversible, because changes in beta features can be experimental. Apply neural filters for tasks like sky replacement or style transfer. Adjust intensity and refine masks with select and mask to keep edges clean. Use content-aware fill and patch to remove distractions. Make sure to sample nearby textures. Also create history snapshots before big changes and save incremental cloud versions so you can revert or compare iterations without losing work. You finish by exporting through Export As or Save a Copy, selecting format and embedding the correct color space so output matches intent. Decide whether to flatten for delivery or keep layered PSD for future edits. Embed fonts and linked assets if required. If something goes wrong, for example, beta crashes or filters misbehave, try clearing the GPU cache, resetting preferences, and updating drivers. If that fails, collect a bug report and contact beta support so the team can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.